Hi, I'm Willie Howell. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for being here. If this is your first time here, please click subscribe and click that little bell notification icon so you'll be notified when we release new content. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, thank you very much. I appreciate each and every one of you. And what we're going to do tonight is a company sent us a free kit. They're not paying us to do this, and the link will be down in the description so you can follow along. But Tim, who is bigger into Raspberry Pi projects than I am, wanted to get his hands on this Arduino kit. They sent it to us, and so now you're going to get a chance to learn along with Tim how to build Arduino projects, interface them with Raspberry Pi, all these good things. He's going to try to do 2 videos a month, but I'm going to let him introduce the kit, and hopefully you'll like these videos. So hang in there, and we'll all learn Arduino together.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Tim. Thanks for watching. Got a quick video for you today. Our friends over at Elegoo sent us over this package, and we're going to take a look at it today and get a series started with learning some Arduino. I'll admit I am a complete Arduino novice. I'm more familiar with Raspberry Pi and the like, but I'm excited to get learning. So they sent us over this kit. They're not paying us for these videos, but I'm excited to jump in and take a look at it. So you can get this kit on Willie's Amazon affiliate link. You'll have a link down below. But you know, $59.99, and it's this EL-KIT-008 Mega 2560 project. Most complete starter kit with tutorial for Arduino Uno Nano. And you can see everything that it comes with right here. We're going to take a look at the package that they sent over to us and take a look and see what we can do with it. So let's take a look here. So here's the package. I would say we're going to unbox it, but Willie beat us to it. He opened it up. He couldn't help himself just as much as I was excited to take a look at this thing. But it looks like we are safe. What's it say? If the seal on this bubble bag is damaged or peeled off, please reject and do not sign the package. Well, Willie opened it without peeling off that sticker, so I think we're all right. Let's take a look and see what we got in here. Alright, so here is our most complete starter kit Uno R3 project. Nice plastic, I like it. Got little clips on the front. Open it up, and the CD tries to fall out on us. You got PDF code and libraries, and tells you where you can actually go and download the link and the information from it on the CD there as well, and on the back. So you don't have to pop the CD in if you don't want to. You can download it all from the internet. Nice little thank you card, cool. And let's see if we can get this without dumping it all over the place. It actually gives us a breakdown of what all the pieces are. There's tons of different sensors here. And the Uno R3 controller board, LCD 1602 module with pin header, RF522 RFID module with a card. And we'll take a look at some of these pieces. I don't think I'm going to break them all out here tonight, but we'll jump in and take a look at a handful of them here. Lots of LEDs, lots of wires, lots of USB cables, some breadboards. So let's take a look at a couple of these things here. Everything's all nice and individually wrapped. So we're going to break open the Uno board here real quick. And if you're not familiar with Arduino, that's it. That's what they look like. They've got USB and a barrel power port. They've got the chips and headers and all the other inputs. They call them GPIOs on Raspberry Pi. I'm assuming they call them something similar, if not the same thing, on the Unos, but yeah, that's what they look like. They do have a little power or reset button on there. Yeah, and they've even got them branded Elegoo for their boards there. Let's see what else we got in here. So we got a breadboard with, let's open it up, see what we got. Okay, so it comes with the breadboard, but it's also got the prototype Shield V5. So yeah, lots of pins and solder points, and looks like they go through all the way to the back. And I'm guessing, let's take a look. Yep, that will fit directly on the board here. So you can build onto and have a header on that. So I'm guessing we'll get into that at some point. We'll see what the kit shows us. Like I said, I'm a complete novice when it comes to this stuff, so I'm going to be learning along with you guys here. Oh, nice little keypad with the ribbon. Get into that. So a little breadboard. Yeah. Lots of resistors, lots of a larger breadboard. Nice. Let's take a look. We got the LED. What's this one? 4-digit 7-segment display. One of those. Like I said, lots of the breadboard wires. USB, more breadboard wires. Stepper motor. We'll be able to play with that and see what happens. See what we can do with that. I'm guessing we can plug the fan into the stepper motor, or there's probably something else for that to go into. Here's the RFID RC522 that comes with it. I'm not going to open that one up necessarily, but there's the board with the sensor, and it comes with a card and one of the keychain RFID tags to go along with it. I do have another box that I bought that's got a different card reader, a USB card reader, and a bunch more of the cards and tags, so we'll be able to play with a lot of that stuff. Let's see here, A, B, C, D, what's this LED? Looking. The ULN2003 stepper motor driver module. I don't know what that's going to do, but we'll find out. Another module here. QC. What's this thing look like? Rotary encoder module. Sounds cool. Oh, all right. Switch the little toggle switch back and forth. I'm not sure if I'm looking at the right thing there because it doesn't seem like that. I don't know. Joystick module. Ah, the joystick module. Maybe that's it. That would make more sense. Looks like another motor. That's probably that'd be for the fan. So there's another motor for the fan. They even give us a 9-volt battery to hook up to this thing, so we don't have to plug it in, with a nice silica pack in the same spot as that, and the cable for the 9-volt battery for the barrel. So we don't even have to plug this thing in, but it does come with a power adapter, so you don't have to use a 9-volt battery. Let's see what we got here. We got another VCC, ground PoE, another power port, on-off button. I don't know. Well, like I said, we'll learn. We'll figure it out. Another LED display. What's this one? The Max 7219 module, one piece. So looks like a matrix type display for that one. Speaker maybe. Looks like a speaker. Another motor. Micro servo. Okay, there we go. Little micro servo. It's all the little things that go along with it. I lied. Maybe we are going to look at it all tonight. Let's see here. DS1307 module VO3. What's that? DS. I don't know. RTC module. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We got a water level sensor. That could be kind of cool. Don't know if you guys get water in your basement, but could rig up something, I'm guessing, with this to see how high it is and kick on a sump pump or something like that if you needed to. Remote control. Very nice. I'm not sure. Volume up, volume down. Cool. I don't know. We'll see what we can do with that. Another LED display. Speakers. We got some speakers. I don't think we'll be boomboxing down the road with that thing, but who knows? Maybe it puts out more power than I think. I'm curious, is it actually speakers or is it something else? Is this different sensor maybe? Ultrasonic sensor. I was wrong. definitely won't be doing a beatbox down the road, but yeah, we can send some ultrasonic sounds, I guess. We'll see. Let's see here. Another module. They don't line up with where they were in here, up there, so I'm not seeing it. Let's see. Oh, that's light sensor, I'm guessing. That's got to be a light sensor. We'll open that up and get a little closer look at that one. I'm guessing with the way that thing looks there, it's a light sensor. It's got to be. Yeah, it looks like with sensitivity dials. So we can do what we need to do with that. Turn dial and another sensor in there along with it. What's this one? DHT11 temperature and humidity module. So I was actually thinking about doing a project with one of these not too long ago to put it in my server room at the office and monitor the temperature and see what we can come up with as far as what the temperature is. If it gets too high, send me an email, do some sort of alert. So I guess this is what I would use for that, if not something else. I did have a couple other things on hand with those. I purchased a few other ones and never got around to messing with it, so I guess I'm gonna take the time and learn here. Yeah, 5-volt relay. I'm guessing this goes on here. Let's back up the camera here, and there's my joystick. It's even got a push button, so you push it down and click, click, click. Very cool. Alright, and then another smaller plastic container with a bunch of other stuff. There's all the LEDs and the resistors and capacitors and a bunch of other stuff in there. And another silica pack. So, yeah, so that's it. That's what we're looking at. You know, here's a quick view of all the crap on the desk. So there's that, there's that. I don't have quite the cool setup that Willie's got with the nice big table and everything else, but we'll figure it out. We'll take a look at it. We'll learn. We'll start doing some tutorials and see how easy it is to learn Arduino. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to Willie's channel. Like I said, we'll be getting on some more of these videos. If you like this idea, leave a comment. If you have some other fun electronics that you'd like us to play with, let us know that too, and we'll see what we can do to get some more stuff for you. So thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.
Alright, that's it for this video. If you like the video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe, comment, and share. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. If you need IT consulting, go to williehow.com. Fill out that contact form. Someone will contact you as soon as possible. If we can't help you, we'll get you to someone who can. That's our promise to you. If you'd like to buy any of the gear, including this kit, the Amazon links are below. They don't change your price, but they do kick a couple bucks over the channel. As always, I want to thank each and every one of you, and we'll see you in the next video.